Hello Philippines, hello world, hello America. This is Cam Topeka, guys.
And I'm Larry Topeka.
And welcome back to my channel, yes. Yes. Are you ready to do this with me? I know you're kinda shy in front of the camera, but you know, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. What? That's our little girl right there. It's gonna watch you. Okay? Okay, guys, we're gonna do a reaction video of Lady Gaga, Stupid Cough, but it's a parody song from... Yes. Let's play this one. This is a fun. This is a fun, babe. Listen to this. Kiki! You wanna join us? Okay. Michael Bustos! Look at the babe.
I am now a total germaphobe. Always disinfecting, cause on the news it's all about this virus from the globe. Kinda like World War Z. Parody is making me freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. COVID-19.
How's the video? You enjoying it? Seems like you're dancing with this video.
Kiki's enjoying it.
Yeah, okay. Let Kiki on that side. On the other side, they can see her. Oh my God, it's Michael Bustos. Like, he's a Filipino, but he's currently based in Canada. Oh, how's the video? It's like, oh, that's really cool, right?
That's cool.
Yeah.
One down, one down, one down, one down. I'm in sheep. Face mask, face mask, face mask, face mask. Each time I go out, I'm listening around for God.
You like it? I think this is a good video. What do you think? It is because it shows us like how to like minimize the bacteria or just like try to get rid of it. Yeah, and then Michael Bustos, like, dude, he's doing a good job with this video. Yeah, and the way that he act.
Yeah. Kiki, you agree?
I think she's gonna agree with me. Like, we're just like here in the house, like starting to practice social distancing.
I'm staying locked up in my house.
We're inside the house, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Don't want no stupid guy.
That's good. Yeah, I think it's one. Like, you need to maintain a healthy lifestyle just to avoid this coronavirus.
Right.
Yes, and then social distancing. What do you think?
I think so.
Now it's time to stop this from spreading. Conversations in your sleep. Instead, don't give you candle. Give this virus chance to breathe. Now we cancel your cruise. Better check your fluids too.
Yes, baby. I think that's good, right? You need to have a good hygiene.
Right.
Yeah. So, what can you say about like what's going on right now in this world?
I think it's very serious, and people need to start taking it more seriously
Yeah.
and avoiding contact with other people to avoid spreading the virus.
Yeah, I think
They're
so.
not doing that. Right?
Yeah, and then this
People aren't.
video is showing us like what will be the like you need to do just to avoid the spread of the virus, right?
Right.
Yeah, I think it's really good.
Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch your face. You got the cold fever, breathing hard. Call your doctor now. Don't go panic shopping for stuff.
There's a lot of toilet paper, right?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Guys, he's having like a spring allergy most of the time.
Yeah.
You don't have sore throat, honey?
I don't have a sore throat.
Okay,
or a
thank
fever.
God.
I don't have anything.
Okay.
And I got a runny nose, and
Okay.
with the virus, you have a dry cough.
What can you say about all the toilet paper that we're running out of toilet paper? People are order buying it.
I would say buy enough that you need, but don't buy a ridiculous amount so that
Yes.
there's not there, so that some people have to go without.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, and this is Manila, baby. Look at the background. I think you've been there and ride those jeepneys before.
I have.
Yes. Whoa!
I'm Filipino.
That's one thing about this music video, like it was showing, like if you have difficulty breathing, you need to call 911.
Right.
And you don't have to proceed to the hospital because you don't want a wide spread of the virus.
Right.
I think that's one
If you're
thing.
not having a fever or difficulty breathing, you just stay home.
Yes, you need to stay home.
Don't make it a reason. Go panic while they work on vaccines. Know your information.
Yeah, honestly, this video is really good, right?
Stop COVID-19. This ain't no COVID.
The original song about this is Lady Gaga, it's like Stupid Love. Now the like Stupid Cough that he was like doing. And this guy is a Filipino. We get that. Do you think Filipinos have sense of talent?
Well, you do.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I love this. Oh, that's really good. Mikey Bustos, yes. Whew. That was a fun video. Enjoy it?
I did.
Yes, the way that they shoot everything is really good. And the arrangement of the music, yeah. Yes. I think that's one thing about it, right? Yeah, guys, if you don't have any business going outside, please stay on your house. The quarantine.
Stay away from other people. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands.
Yes, like 20 seconds, just sing happy birthday, like a whole birthday song. I guess it will strip all the virus. Yes, yeah.
And stay safe and healthy.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. And if you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed to this channel, guys, please do subscribe for more reaction video. And if you haven't hit that notification button, right, Kiki? Kiki's gonna eat you. Okay, guys, see ya. See ya.